Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm going to be creating a tie-dye resin tray. And this is a technique that I've been playing around with a little bit, and I think I've got it down fairly well. So I'm starting off with a silicone mold. Nothing put in here ahead of time, no resin in here or anything, just the silicone mold for the tray. And I'm using Ranger alcohol inks. I've tried this with a couple other brands and I found that the Ranger ones work best for this technique. It just tends to spread out the best and have the best effect. Use any colors you want and use any pattern you want. I like to kind of go in a bit of a circular pattern. I think that really gives the tie-dye look, but play around with it. Try circles, try lines, try anything you want. And of course, use any colors you want. I'm doing a rainbow kind of effect here. So I started off with orange in the middle, then reds, then purple, then blues, and then green all the way on the outside. Once you're happy with the design, go ahead and pour in the resin. I like to pour from the middle so that it pushes the colors out from the middle to the outside. Where you pour it in the mold will affect your design, so that is my recommendation. Make sure that you put enough resin in there to completely fill the mold, or you could also do it in 2 different layers if you wish. Once the tray is full, you're going to want to get rid of the air bubbles. I recommend using 91% isopropyl alcohol for this. You don't want to use a torch for various reasons, but mainly because you will ruin your silicone mold. You can use a heat gun if you want. I like to just mist the 91% isopropyl alcohol on the top, and that gets rid of the air bubbles. Once you have done that, go ahead and add the handles into the tray. I picked silver for this color combination, but you can use really anything you want, gold, or you can even make your own tray handles. It's totally up to you. Line them up with each other. Make sure they're an equal distance from the sides. I like to put them in about 1 inch from the edge, and that's it. Let it dry, and then go ahead and demold.